Hi guys, what's up? Mark here again, back for another unboxing video. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Kludge RK918 mechanical keyboard. On my last video, I did an unboxing of the ROG Strix Impact 2 gaming mouse. If you have not seen the video yet, the link of the video will be provided above or on the description down below. Just to let you know about a couple things regarding this keyboard is I bought this one at Shopee PH for about $60, or that's around 3,000 pesos. It was shipped overseas, so it actually took almost 2 weeks before it arrived. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and start unboxing the RK918 mechanical keyboard, but not right before this intro. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and clicking that notification bell. Let's go ahead and unbox the RK918 mechanical keyboard. I'll just go ahead and open up the box here. Again, I bought this one at Shopee PH and it was shipped overseas, so if you're in the Philippines, it might take 2 weeks before you get it. Here you go. As you can see, there's not much on the box. It has two styrofoams in the sides, but aside from that, you'll only have the box to protect the keyboard. I'll just go ahead and remove the keyboard from the box here, and let's check what else is in the box. Okay, looks like we have a keycap puller. This is a tool that you use if you like to remove the keycaps, maybe to clean or replace them. We also got a piece of paper here. Let's focus it for you guys so you can see clearly. As you can see, it is not in English, so really don't know what it is. At the back, you'll have a QR code for the manual, so you can just scan it on your phone. And that's pretty much it for the content, so I'll just go ahead and put the box here on the side. Then let's bring up the RK918. Here we go. Let's remove it from the styrofoam sheet here first. For a $60 keyboard, it doesn't seem to be well packaged, though it doesn't seem to have any damages at all when it was shipped, so that's a good thing. Here you have it. It is heavier than it looks, but I guess that's what you expect. It kind of feels like plasticky here at the bottom. It has a white color as well, I believe to give you more light for the LEDs. I'll give you guys like a 360 view here really quick. Here you go. All good. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and try it here. Well, it kind of feels hollow, don't really have that premium feel, but I guess I'm still getting used to it as I have been using a membrane keyboard. Let's go ahead and test it out as well. I'll plug it in. And there you go, the RK918 mechanical keyboard. If I remember correctly, I believe it was FN plus something to change the pattern. Let's try it here. Yep, looks like it's changing, so I remember it correctly. Okay, let's try FN plus escape. I believe I saw that one as well. Let's check if it works. Nope, it doesn't work at all. Let's try a different key. Okay, it doesn't seem to be interacting. I saw a review where it did, but anyway, I'll let you guys have a look again with the LEDs on. Okay, so I kind of like the backlight here on the keys. It looks pretty decent to me. I did press the FN plus delete earlier to change the pattern, as you can see, and alright, I'll stick with that. still have not enabled the interactive pattern as it's still not working. You can see, so I think I'll just go ahead and let go for now. I'll go ahead and probably test it out more here and create another and more detailed video for its functionality. But here's another view at the bottom here, and the white does help make the LEDs brighter. Again, I really like the backlight on the keys here, how it looks on the front. And I guess that's pretty much it. And there you have it. I'll create another video for its review, so if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy the B-roll. That's the end of our unboxing for the Royal Kludge RK918. Here are a couple of things that I have observed when I boxed this one. It is heavier than it actually looks, but it is as heavy as what you expect from a mechanical keyboard. What I did not like is the plasticky feel here down at the bottom. It is not the same regarding this one on the top, but I don't think this is plastic at all. I believe this is like somehow metal. But aside from that, this looks pretty decent to me. I have not got the chance to test this one out yet, so I can't really provide you on the details of its functionality. I don't think there's any software for this one, since I did actually check out their website and I did not find any. But in case you guys found any software that goes or that works with this one, please do provide that one on the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to test that one out. And yeah, thanks for tuning in to MacB TV. Please do like this video, hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll be updated on my latest videos, and see you on the next one. Adios.